Hello, I wanted to make a video before the weekend so I can show you how the price development is and to know what to expect for the future. We are here on the GBP yen 1 hour chart, and you can see here very beautifully how an equilateral triangle was formed here. You see? What is very interesting about this um, Forex cycles is that we we tend to have the same amount of time for one direction and followed by the same amount of time for the other direction if it's not right angled triangle. Here we had the downward movement, which was very fast from the day 4 of the previous cycle until day 7. So we had 4 days. Then it went up. We could measure it from here. Even if the upward movement started in the second day. But you see, here in the 4th day, the price reached the same price. It's very interesting. So for this movement, 4 days were needed and the price went back to the same position within 4 days. So sometimes price develops a little bit faster, sometimes it's slower, but even if we had this very strong push up in within the we could say first or second day of the upward movement, now the price just stays in a pretty narrow range. It is forming an upward triangle here right now. How I can see where the triangle is directed is by putting this line, then copying it and inverting it. If I see on the charts that the two lines fit, it means that the triangle does not have a specific direction to go upward or downward. In this case, we are dealing with an ascending triangle. So we expect the price to go in the same direction as it was before this triangle formation started. There are no clear signs of a reversal yet, and the fact that the price is pushing here and pushing within the same range shows me it could still go up. If we look on the 4-hour chart, you see here the upper line of the downward channel was broken and the price remained above this line. So for the future, we could regard this upper trend line of the previous downward channel to be a resistance level. We have to see how the price develops in the future. If we look on the 30 minutes chart, this is the chart I usually consider. Then we also see the price is waiting for a push for now. How much we expect this push upward to be when the price will unfold, we can calculate from the beginning of the price development. I had measured before. You remember here I had measured 290 pips. So if we put this 290 pips and we double it starting from this point where the price stopped, then we come to the take profit point here of 194.2. Why I say the price stopped here, it's not because he stopped, but he started to not go in the same pace as before. So you see he was here consolidating, then it pushed up but didn't hold too long. It came back to this point. So this point formed on this chart a small um, resistance level. Then from this point it pushed up again, but pretty slowly, forming this triangle. And now we are waiting for the price to go up. We have to see now, after reaching this point, if the price starts to swing and to unfold and go a little bit down, then the direction could change. So we have to see what happens within the few hours, what happens at this point, and not wait too long. If the bias is up now, it could change in a few hours. So just stay tuned, like and subscribe. And if the price should change, I will make first I make a short because this is very fast to do. And then I make a video with the explanation. Thanks for watching. I wish you many peeps. Bye.